Hi guys, we are going to be covering JavaScript modules. Basically, a module in JavaScript is just a file containing related codes. I'm going to show you an example of how to use modules to structure your project or to structure your source code more efficiently. Let's create a folder. I'll call this folder modules. Within this folder, we're going to create a file, index.js. Let's go ahead and create another file, arithmetic.js. Within the arithmetic file, we're going to create multiple functions. We're going to create functions for performing all the arithmetic operations. So basically, we have function, addition, which will be carrying two parameters, a and b, and we'll return a plus b. Now that we have this code within the arithmetic.js file, we want to reuse these functions inside the index.js file. In order to reuse those functions, we would have to import the functions within this file. One major way to import when using Node.js is to use the require keyword. Another way to also import is to use the import statements. We cannot use this statement right now because we're not using a bundler and because we don't have a package to work with. Basically, in order to use this, we have to go ahead and set up a new npm project, which we're not going to do at the moment. So let's stick to this option. Next, we're going to call the functions within the arithmetic.js file. Now you can see that we don't have any function shown right here. That is basically because we have to export the functions inside this file. In order to export these functions, there are multiple ways to do that. One of the methods I love to use is to use the exports keyword. This looks clean and easy. Another method you can use is to use the module.exports method. Using this method, we can actually export multiple functions. One other method is to wrap the functions as object functions. Having known these methods and patterns, let's go ahead and use the first pattern shown to you. Now, going back to the index file, you can see we have these functions listed out here. Let's call the addition. Let's pass in 1 and 2. Let's run this file using the terminal. You can see we have 3. Let's try another one. One other thing you might want to do is called destructuring. Destructuring is a JavaScript expression that allows us to extract data from arrays, objects, and maps. Let's show you an example of how to destructure this object. What you might want to do is to use the open and close braces, and then you can call the exact function you want from the arithmetic module. Now you can use these functions directly without having the arithmetic. We're able to import our module and also import the functions within the module. We're also able to destructure the objects. Destructuring can also be applied to basic JavaScript objects such as I hope you now understand what a JavaScript module is, how to import a module and its contents, and also how to use the module contents. Thanks for watching. If you're not on the Discord server, go ahead and join the server using the link below. You can also comment on this video if you have any. Kindly subscribe and share this video to others.